Hey class, this is just a quick tech tutorial to show you how to use a tool that can help you when you are answering questions where you have to write or type out your answer. This would be really handy for EL where you have to do a lot of writing. So I'm going to show you how to use voice typing today. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to Google and you can either click on the apps here or you can go to Drive, but I want you to start a new Google Doc. So you do that, click on Docs, and then click the plus or blank Google Doc. And if you go up to the top, it'll say Tools, okay? And there it says Voice Typing, okay? And it brings up the microphone. Now, the first time you use it, it's going to ask you to allow microphone access. So click Allow, don't click Block. If you click Block, you won't be able to use it. So when I click this, it's just going to start picking up my voice and it's going to start typing it out on the page. The trick to using this is that you have to speak very clearly and not too fast. If you speak too fast, it may get confused and your sentence won't make sense. Also, you want to make sure that you're not just talking over and over and talking too much, because then it's just going to be a really long run-on sentence with no punctuation or anything. And I think if you say period or question mark, you should be able to add some punctuation. So I'm going to test that out now. So I'm going to pretend like I'm answering a question in EL, and that is, what is the lesson, message, or moral in Nazrene's Secret School? Okay, so I'm going to click on the microphone button. I think the lesson, message, or moral in Nazrene's Secret School is that some people take dangerous risks to go to school in order to learn, period. And then when I'm done, I just click the microphone again so it stops picking up my voice. And you see that when I finished that sentence and I said period, it added the period there. So you may have to go back into the sentence and fix some things, like whenever you talk about a text, you're supposed to use a capital letter for each of the words because it is a title. So I could change that to Nazrene's Secret School. But the whole point of this was just to learn how to use voice typing, which can help you. And it will also help with your spelling, because I know some of us aren't the best spellers, and using voice typing will help with that. Okay, so if you are answering something that's not in a Google Doc, what you can do is you can use voice typing in the Google Doc and then highlight it and copy and paste your answer by hitting copy and moving it over to whatever we're using, whether it's a Google form or a Google slide. You can move it over there to write out your whole answer. Okay, so I hope that was helpful, guys. And so now you can start using voice typing to answer some questions. Thanks.